Can three simple ingredients make the softest melt in your mouth butter cookies? Absolutely. Hi, hello everyone. Today on the Slow Whisk channel, I'm showing you how to make these magical cookies. No eggs, no fancy tools, just simple joy. This recipe is perfect for beginners, kids, and anyone who loves classic tea time biscuits. All you need is three simple ingredients. Take the weighing scale and measure 100 grams of butter.
Once you've taken 100 grams of butter, take an electric beater and beat it until it is pale and fluffy. This is the texture and color we're looking for. Now with the help of a spatula, bring all the butter together, and now you can add 25 grams of powdered sugar or icing sugar. How to make powdered sugar at home? Simple. Take sugar and grind it into fine powder. You've got the powdered sugar. Once you've added the icing sugar or powdered sugar, you can mix it well with the help of a spatula. Why am I not using a hand whisk here or a beater? That's because I don't want to incorporate more air into the dough. So I'm using a spatula to achieve this consistency. Enjoy this process of creaming and bringing the entire mixture together. Now you can add 110 grams of all-purpose flour or maida as we call it. You don't have maida? Don't worry. You can use wheat flour to make your cookies. Now sieve the maida and fold it gently until it forms a soft dough. Now you may be wondering, why are we sieving everything? That's to ensure there are no lumps in the dough and we are able to mix in all the ingredients easily. Fold in the dough gently. This is very soft at this point of time. If you need, you may use your hands to combine and bring the dough together. We just need it to be mixed. Once the dough is formed, take a cling film, place the dough into the film, shape it, wrap it, and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, what you do is preheat your oven for 10 minutes at 160 degrees. If you're using a kadai, then what you can do is preheat the frying pan for about 10 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the dough out of the refrigerator and roll them in your palms to make into small discs. Look how beautiful they are. Once done, take a fork and start making designs. Whatever designs you like. I have shown 2-3 designs in this video. Do watch them. Alternatively, you can do something else too. Depends on your creative instinct. I'm using a whisk. How can I not use a whisk? The channel name itself says the Slow Whisk. So I'm using a whisk to make a design on the dough. They look absolutely beautiful. You don't always need fancy equipments, fancy tools to make things. All you've got to use is your creativity. Baking for me is my meditative space. My go-to thing when I'm feeling not so good, but I want to enjoy some me time, some alone time. I enjoy baking. What do you do when you are looking for that me time? Do let me know in the comments below. Maybe we can connect over shared activities. I would love to see where you're watching this video from, which country, which city, and what do you do? I would love to know more about you. As we enjoy baking this 3 simple ingredient melt in your mouth butter cookies. I wanted to add more bling into these cookies. I was not just getting enough of them. So what I did? Well, I had
some sprinkles at home.
So I added and decorated them onto these cookies. Once you're done with the designs, now you can bake them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes depending on your oven at 160 degrees. My oven, I took about 10 minutes. Yours? I'm sure you know your oven well.
If you're baking them in a frying pan, then you could bake them for 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium heat. Once you see the edges are golden brown, take them out of the oven. They firm up as they cool. These cookies are perfect with chai, coffee. They're great for lunch boxes or gifting. You can add vanilla or cardamom if you like, but honestly, they are beautiful just the way they are. Tell me in the comments, would you like a chocolate version next? If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.